of a number, okay? So part of a whole number, okay? So for example, now we have, so example number one is we have this. So 1.5. You can write it as 1 and 1/2. That means 1.5. Okay. We have a whole pizza and we got a half a pizza. Example number two. Okay. We have, for example, now 2, 3, 2/3. Okay. This means 2 and 2/3. So 2 and 2/3. And 2. And then out of the whole pizza, we're gonna, if we split the pizza into 3 pieces, we actually have only 2 of those pieces, okay? So this is missing, okay? So we have, this is 1, and this is 2/3 of a pizza, okay? This is 1, and this is a half, 5/8, okay? That's a fraction, okay? So 5/8, okay? Have a pizza again. We can split this pizza into 8 parts. So we're looking at that over there, okay? So this is our pizza. It's split into 4, okay? And here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's split up again. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we don't have 3 of those slices, okay? So this is what that means, okay? So this is 5 slices out of 8. All right, guys, this is the very basics and fundamentals of fractions. A lot of the problems that we have in this day and age that we don't understand fractions. We know there are numbers or some sort of number with a line, but we don't know what that really means, okay? Now, fractions are also divisions, okay? So fraction, we can also write this fraction or division. What do I mean by that? Okay, so example now, if I have 5/8, I can actually divide that to the line suggests to division. So this line over here, it means division, okay? So if you look at this particular line over here, that is division. Okay, so now if I want, I can turn this fraction into a decimal by doing what? I see how many 8s go into 5. Okay, that's 0. Okay, what's the remainder? So we can put a dot there, imaginary. We have an imaginary decimal that we don't really write down, and we can put the 5 carries on, and there's a imaginary 0 after the decimal. So how many 8 goes into 50? Okay, and we can obviously say 5. Sorry. So example now, if we have 5 times 4, sorry, if we have 5 times 8, that gives us 40. So we can say that 6/8 goes into that because 8 times 6 is 48. What's the remainder? Is 2. Okay, and 0. And then we can say how many 8s goes into 20? We can say 2. Okay. What's the remainder? 2 times 8 is 16. 16 take away 20 is 4. Okay, so you say 4 over here. Okay, so we have how many 8 goes into 40? We can say 5. Okay, so 5/8 is also equivalent to 0.625. Okay, if I want to turn it into a percentage, so this is from a fraction to a decimal, okay? If I want to turn it into a percentage, so if I want to turn it into percentage, what I can do is I can actually multiply it by 100. Percentage is a multiple of 100, okay? So I can multiply it by 100, okay, the decimal. And that should really give me the decimal will obviously move 2 backwards. So that will be 62.5%.